Hey, what it is, what it do, what up, people? It's Vito's Tech, and today we're checking out the Sony WF-1000XM4s. Well, kind of. You see, I'm not doing a review on these, because if you go to the search bar and type in Sony WF-1000XM4s, they really need to work on these names. But if you type that in, you will see 1, 2, 3,000 reviews of these up already, so I don't need to add another to the mix. What I am going to do is show you how to save a couple dollars. Or in this case, 50 to 100. Sound good? Well, let's dive in. Let's go. All right, welcome back. So look, I don't know about you, but in my area, a month later, these are still sold out. Not to mention, after tax, these come out to more than $300. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a lot of money. At least to me it is. Now, I'm all about finding deals and discounts, which is where these come in. After tax, I managed to find these for $230. That's a $70 savings, and like I said, these are still sold out in locations in my area. Now, how did I manage that? I found them renewed on Amazon. Now, with me doing that, I am taking a risk, which is why I haven't opened the box yet. We're going to pop this open and see what condition these are in. That way, if you decide to try out Amazon Renewed, you can see if they're truthful in the condition you pick. Now, I picked like new damaged box because I don't need a box if that means saving $70. But yo, that's enough talking. Let's see what I got myself into. Hopefully, I really hope that they're truthful to what they said. So the tape is cut. Let's go ahead and fold this back up. All right, so let's pop them open. And so I don't know if the box I'm getting is like a taped up box or if they decided to repackage it, but here we go. All right, so here's the paperwork. No one needs to see that. Or do we need to see that? Let me see. It says, thank you for your purchase. Okay, so nothing too important. And here they are. All right, so it looks like we do not get the box. There's nothing else in the box. And so here's what you get. So let's see, it says, please fully charge before use. Let's go ahead and open up the plastic. And so in this plastic, you can see the ear tips. Let's go ahead and take all of this out. Let's see. So you get the tiny little Type-C charging cable. And you get the foam tips. Now the foam tips do not look like they have been touched in any way. So that's positive so far, but I do only see 3 of them. Oh, wait, I threw the plastic away without seeing it. All right, so look, you do get 4 tips. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so it's nice and all that you get the tips, but what we want to see are the buds. And so here's the case. The case does not look damaged in any way. The case looks really nice. But the moment of truth, let's go ahead and check out the earbuds. Now, survey says, hey, there they are. Let's go ahead and pull them out. There's 1. There's 2. Nice strong magnet. Let's get a close look at the buds. I am not seeing any signs of use, not seeing any signs of damage. These look really good. And yeah, for $70 saved, these look A1. Let me go ahead and grab a phone or grab something to hook these up to, see if they work, and we'll get out of here. I'll be right back. So check it out. I've been listening to these for about the last hour, and these are a major win. All I didn't get was a box, and I managed to save $70. These are a win. So yeah, if you don't care about just not receiving a box, or even if you do not care about having some damage on them, like I have seen examples where it's been acceptable, which means they're in rough condition and might have like 1 or 2 scratches on them. I've seen good, I've seen really good, and I've seen open box. Open box means they're gonna come looking brand new. The only thing is you don't get a box. So if I were you and I want to try this out, I would just go read each description and verify, make sure that you can live with whatever description you decide to go with. And look, these are possibly the best earbuds out right now. I mean, I can't make that call. I've only been listening to them for about an hour. FYI, they do sound really good. But yeah, for possibly the best headphones out, you can save money, where in a lot of locations, like where I'm at, they're currently sold out. You can go save money and pick up the best headphones out. Yo, that's a risk you might want to take. But again, it is a risk. So be careful in the ones you pick. And once again, these are Amazon renewed. I was able to grab these for $230. Hey, it's VDust Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.